The American middle class is disappearing, but not how you think. Meet Jake. He has a good job and a comfort, but Jake is stuck in a trap designed to keep him. It starts with the upgrade mentality. As soon as Jake gets a raise, he buys a newer car. He moves into a bigger house with a bigger mortgage. He calls these assets, but they are actually liabilities. An asset puts money in your pocket, a liability takes it out. Jake is working 50 hours a week just to pay for his image. He's lifestyle rich, but balance sheet poor. This is the middle class trap, looking wealthy while being one paycheck away from ruin. Every month, his salary arrives and immediately vanishes. It goes to the bank, the car dealer, and the credit card company. Jake is not working for himself, he is a servant to his own stuff. Why does Jake do this? Because of social proof. He sees his neighbors with new SUVs and luxury vacations. He thinks he needs to keep up with the Joneses. But the Joneses are also broke, hiding behind a mountain of debt. Social media has turned this trap into a 24/7 competition. Every like he gets on his new watch is a step further from freedom. We buy things we don't need, with money we don't have, to impress people we don't like. Jake realizes his freedom has been traded for stuff. He is terrified of losing his job because the bills never stop. The bank doesn't care about your lifestyle, they only care about their interest. Real wealth is what you don't see. It's the money in the bank and the assets that work for you. He sells the expensive car and buys a reliable used one. He stops caring about what the neighbors think. The middle class stays broke because they consume. The rich grow because they produce. Jake starts investing 30% of his income before he buys. He discovers the 50/30/20 rule. He prioritizes his future self over his current cravings. He realizes that time is his most valuable currency. Instead of buying a Rolex, he buys shares of the company that makes them. Slowly, the stress starts to fade away. He no longer fears the next paycheck, because he has a cushion. True freedom is the ability to say no, the ability to own your time and your decisions. The middle class trap is a choice. You can choose to leave it. Stop buying liability, start buying freedom and calling it your future. The world wants you to stay a consumer, don't let it win. Ready to break free? Please subscribe.